evening, everyone. Welcome to Spotlight on Medellin.
Windsor Workshop is a simulation game in order to understand how do we plan cities and, in a fun way, try to interact with different actors and try to mimic the realities that you will be facing as professionals.
The Windsor Workshop is basically a simulation of a real city. It is not the reality, but it does attempt to put students in a series of contexts that they might not previously have experienced.
It's more receptive within your show, so that you're not going to be moving away from the place you've been.
We have a problem currently of people getting evicted. There's going to be
We're in character, but we're also critical about our character and about all the things that are going on around.
But if we are a society, we are not individuals, we are part of something, so we have to renounce something and try to not be, to bring only our idea.
We are going to learn a lot of things in an introductory way, trying to use one case, this year will be Medellin, in order to interact, in order to understand how different actors shape the city and how can we make urban agreements.
Windsor's a terrific setting. It's an opportunity for students to meet together from across programmes. And generally, we all have a ball, as well as learning a lot.